Hey there, muscle car fans. Thanks for watching Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance video. Today we got this 1970 Pontiac GTO The Judge tribute car for you. Wonderful car. It's been rebuilt and restored partially. It's painted in the beautiful orange color, and of course it has the famous Judge stripes on it. This Judge is equipped with a real 70s 455 cubic inch HO high output engine, which also is equipped with the correct ram air intake and ram air hood, as you can see. The engine bay looks very clean and correct, and the engine runs pretty smooth and nice and is very powerful. Especially when you drive this car with the manual 4-speed, it's great fun. Everything on the car is just in very good condition, especially for this price. And car is in gorgeous condition overall. It's got the black finial top. Of course, it's got the Judge rear wing. It's got a brand new set of aluminum AR 500 wheels, and the car is very solid and completely rusted and damage free. All the chrome on the car is also in very nice condition, and all the lighting and all the details, everything functions as it should. It's also equipped with tinted windows, bucket seat interior with floor shifter, and it's got a gorgeous set of bucket seats. It's also got the famous hood tack, which is also completely functional, and we will show you that a little bit later. The car has a very nice paint, very great shine on it. It looks pretty fresh, and of course the car is pretty fast. Now I'm going to show you the interior of the car, which, as you can see, is also in very nice condition. Nice door panels, nice headliner, carpeting. It's got the original steering wheel inside. It's got the rally dash, and no tears and damages in the interior whatsoever. All in all, a very nice, very clean car that also drives as it should. As you can see, it's got the Judge striping on it. The chrome on the car, as I said already earlier, is absolutely very nice. What's missing on the video today is the Judge decal on the trunk lid, but we've ordered it and it's going to come on the car. We still need to do a little bit of work on the car, some detailing and stuff, but overall it's all ready to rumble and to be enjoyed. Especially with the 4-speed transmission, these cars are fantastic to drive. It's got power front disc brakes, of course it has power steering, and everything on the car functions as it should. Well, if you want more information about this car or any of our other cars, please visit us online, www.pedaltothemetal.nl, and you will find more information, pictures, prices and all that stuff on our website. Thank you for watching.